My youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher. And me can't even read neither.
How will you say your name?
Yeah, Jebba.
Okay.
You see the farm working business. You see, me can tell you the truth. But the farm work is master. It's an old scope of life. A lot of good and a lot of bad and a lot of mix up. But remember, one guy in a trouble on the farm work, you know. And in that camp we used to do. Me only when I feel based on my base of life, see, but me going to a facts me I show you. So anyway, this gentleman in the camp, nice guy. I'm used to, me can't read, you know, but me used to write to scratch 2 letters for him, you know. A whole promoter machine in the camp, brother. We have one special one named Palmer.
The same Palmer where you not tell me about?
Yeah, man. You know, easy, you know, and a good boy, you know. He just moat you. So, we go 1 year and we ship things. And everybody there wharf. Couple man there wharf and wait for them barrel and their suitcase. And so, cause you know, say, from America have so dirty reputation, you know. Some of them are truth and some of them are lie. You know, if you read it, for real. So we did it and we wait for the place, people they gone for lunch, so we wait for them to open. So when you look, a brother Bailey, me say, come. All of us say, come. And one lady, you can't tell it's her wife.
Yeah.
Nice, you know, country nice lady. Lady come from country, nice.
Clean.
You can see a church woman, clean. Have on her hat and her shoes and her stocking and her, you know. For her husband coming at town to come get them luggage. So, when you realize now, he come out down and everybody say, Billy, wait, what go on? He said, well, me just a reach, master. Traffic good me for a man, me just a reach. You're a dirty Palmer, get up now. Then Billy, then, as so much money you have, I done this how man miss you come up with last year. What you lady know now? Where is the choir, sir? You man, choir by husband and said, tell me something. Me not come here last year with you, you know. I was not dirty girl you can't come here last year. Yeah? Me not come here with you last year, evidently. Me not come here last year with you. So should I, yeah, brother be like pastor, you know, beacon in you. When they boom, just Christ, God. Hey, what the lady don't get up? You know, Mr. D, look for me. Look for me. You man skin pretty, you. What you man live up? What you man live up past curve? What you man do people, you know? Look for me. Hey, one more Bailey want. One more. Mr. D, you man work with an husband. And the girl they were sell a town and the man they were sit down that town there. After the lady say lady. Know yourself. Fight them sit there for work at the boy there. I drank a whole of them, all the husband and dog shit, the whole of them, no listen to them. A Palmer see when I go to the lady, I say, lady, do you know she that big smart and joke me up? That worse than prank, bro. Me say the lady start walk away.
No, listen. You have some female. You carry on those jokes with them.
We can't run the kind of joke them, man.
Because you could have said a joke until thy kingdom come. Them having at them back of mind. Say a truth.
That's why you don't talk to you don't talk certain things, bro. I'm telling you.
You see me, you can't run the joke with me. That I'm not joke for you running people.
You look like you're serious too.
No man, don't run the joke with me.
No man, don't do it. Me say man say, they Bailey, there's so much money you want to have. And do this woman come up with it last year. You the lady no. How I go on here? How should I do to get you can't come up with it last? You better Bailey no. And when they oh Lord have mercy, God. The man was so upset and the lady feels so bad, you know.
Yeah man.
So I want town girl go to a lady and say, lady, what you deal with? No watch them. I saw them tag. You lucky they know say the one of them there with you too.
Yeah.
Let me see so.
Them out there one another.
They hear no me. You think me and the dirty girl around the you think me a strike, eh?